Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is actually new here. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is the Beauty collab that I host every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Of course, I have my lovely ladies, Char's Fashionation, Mountain Wish Christine, My Nails and More by Jonna, and Erica Sue's Nails and More. Today's look is a Gemini look. We're playing with some colors here that I haven't really played with at all, and my cat scared me like crazy, but that's okay. We're gonna play with some greens, yellows, and blues, and these are more like airy colors to me anyway, and I'm very excited. Okay, I already did my eyeshadow primer. I used a Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer, and of course all the products will be down below so you can see what I have on my face and what I've used and everything else. Let's play with some color. Let's do it. So we're gonna play with the Profusion Cosmetics matte eye paint called Daffodil. I mean, like, this is gonna be exciting, you know. So we're just gonna use this yellow. Oh, that's a bright. Woo! That's a bright yellow. It's like, woo. Okay, that's just bright, and I like it. And just kind of blend it in. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. It's my first time using this color, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use this palette called Revolution Lenkalul Celestial Dreams palette from Revolution. I'm using this color called Energy. So we're just gonna go and just set. I don't know if you really need to set this, set this, but we are gonna. We're gonna use balances. I want to see how this is gonna work. That pigment works as better but it's supposed to be a light airy color anyway, so this one I'm going to start basically just going to use that as a blue. I think this is purple but not blue, so I'm going to use Cancer. Okay, I like it. Quite different, something not add up. You know what? I find it really cute. You know what? I do like it. So I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really do enjoy creating this look for the collab. Gemini is one of those colors that's hard to find out, because Christine and I had a hard time of trying to figure out what colors will go where, so we just kind of go with like light airy colors. So because Gemini is a air sign, and I do have I have multiple family members or Geminis, but two that I celebrate every year is my sister and my brother-in-law, even though my brother's birthday is May and my sister's birthday is in June, which is already passed. But yes, so yeah, so guys, this is it. All the products I've used in this video will be down below in the description, and of course make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content and also like this look that I created for Gemini. And of course, want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody, and of course make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. And I do go live on Mondays at 10 a.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night. I love you and God bless.